Hello, I'm going to start representing about using ZAP and analyze the report. So first, open the ZAP and let's wait for it open. And I'll use the automated scan. And the link that I'm gonna use it today is Parabank. So type in the Parabank link. And when I click the attack button, then it'll start the attack. Now let's wait for analyzing. Okay, so the analyzing is done, and now we can see the report by generate the report. In here, generate report, and it'll show the report in here. And now I'm going to show two vulnerabilities and analyze it with the impact to CIA tried and how to mitigate it. So for the first one is the content security policy header not set, which has the risk level as medium level and confidence is high level. So this vulnerability is occurs when a web server does not include the CSP header in its HTTP responses. So CSP is a security feature supported by the modern web browsers that helps prevent various types of attacks. However, if CSP is not included, it'll have cross-site scripting, so-called XSS. To analyze the impact on CIA tried, attackers can exploit vulnerabilities like XSS to steal sensitive information, which compromise confidentiality. And it could manipulate the content of a web page so that it'll also compromise integrity, and it could also disrupt the availability. To mitigate the vulnerability, configure the web server to include the CSP header in all HTTP responses. The header specifies the rules for resource loading and execution. Thereby, it'll restrict the capabilities of potentially malicious scripts. For the second vulnerability is a missing anti-clickjacking header. It has the risk level as medium and confidence as medium level also. This missing anti-clickjacking header occurs when a web server fails to include appropriate headers to prevent clickjacking attacks. Clickjacking is a malicious technique where an attacker tricks a user into clicking on a concealed or disguised element on a web page. To analyze the impact on the CIA tried, clickjacking attacks can lead to the unintended disclosure of sensitive information, which can compromise confidentiality. And in integrity, by tricking users into clicking on disguised elements, clickjacking can manipulate the integrity of user interactions. It could also disrupt the availability of a web application by redirecting users to malicious websites or by preventing them from accessing legitimate functionalities. So to mitigate these vulnerabilities, website can set the X-frame options header to prevent the web pages from being embedded within iframes on other sites. Furthermore, implement the JavaScript techniques such as frame boosting scripts to prevent the web page from being framed. This is the end of the discuss about the ZAP demo, and thank you for watching.